हे हाय एवरीवन, होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो ये मैंने अपनी बैच में प्रीलिम्स जुडिशियल एग्जामिनेशन के लिए इंग्लिश का पेपर डिस्कस किया था 2011 का। सो विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट। आई एम पुटिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर एवरीवन सो दैट यू कैन यूज़ फॉर योर जुडिशियल एग्जामिनेशन प्रिपरेशन। सो राइट नाउ द वेस्ट बंगाल में 30 क्वेश्चन आते हैं इंग्लिश में प्रीलिम्स के एग्जामिनेशन में। सो विल स्टार्ट नाउ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑल हिज एफर्ट्स एंडेड इन फियास्को। द आंसर इज बिकेम unsuccessful. The meeting was postponed, sign die. The answer is indefinitely. इसका आंसर 3 और 4 भी एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग अगर अपन देखेंगे तो वो भी चूज कर सकते हैं। इंटर एलिया, द आंसर इज अमंगस्ट यू। डी फैक्टर, द आंसर इज इन एक्चुअलिटी। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विथ एग्जैक्टली सुटेबल अल्टरनेटिव। आवर मनी रेन आउट। Filling the blank with appropriate preposition out of the options given below. Money worries and overwork led illness. Answer is 2. The boy was attacked by a pack of wolves. Point out the correct sentence out of the alternative given below. Last week happened to me something very strange. Last week something very strange happened to me. Something happened to me last week. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Something happened to me last week. Question number 9. Both were silent for a while. At last, one of them broke the ice, spoke first. The boy was brought to book for his misconduct. Charged. It is the meaning of punished. All his dealings are fair and square. The answer is openly honest. That is accurate. Okay. The correct spelling of committee is COMMITTE. Choose for the given alternatives to determine the correct part of speech of the word underlined. Here is the entry form and here are some notes to help you. It is a noun, okay? The answer is noun. The riot was brought under control within 24 hours. So you must be aware about this, na? Brought under control. बाकी सारे options wrong है. Nearest meaning is brought under control. He is looking into scripts. The answer is examining. He is examining the scripts. कुछ भी चीज़ स्क्रिप्ट जो एग्जामाइन करते हैं उसको एग्जामाइन ही वर्ड यूज करते हैं, नॉट लुकिंग एट, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, सीइंग. शी वॉज द साइनोसर ऑफ द आईज. द आंसर इज शी वॉज द सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. द हैंड दैट डैश द क्रेडल रूल्स द वर्ल्ड. इट्स द मीनिंग इज रॉक्स. The die is, the answer is cast. Choose the right meaning of the given idiomatic phrase. No hard and fast rule can be laid down in this connection. The answer is definitive. Definite, sorry. Find out the example of future perfect tense. She worked there, she will have worked, was working, she will work. So she will have worked is the proper future perfect tense. Find out the word unmatched in the meaning. The answer is lazy. Quick, shift, agile is the same word. Okay. The unmatched word is lazy. The word nearest in the meaning to the word drenched is wet. By adding which of the following prefix to the word material can one give its antonym? None. The correct spelling of Renaissance, that is RENAISSANCE. He insisted on seeing the documents. If you are seeing the documents, it is on. It's not off or at. Okay, it is on always. Can I look up a word in your dictionary? Because you are seeing something in particular object. That's why you are using word in. Filling the blanks. If your system is running slowly, try logging off and then logging in, because you are something doing off. OFF is the word, not OF. So please do remember this word. Choose one word, substitute for the set of words underlined. She was gradually recovering from illness in a local nursing home. That is convalescing. Okay. 29. Find out the correct sentence. It is one of the most popular cars of the world. It is one of the most popular cars in the world. Okay. Of the world is not a proper sentence. In the world. Okay. Anything is there in the world. It is one of those cars, not those cars. It is most popular car. The correct answer is it is one of the most popular cars in the world. Put in the appropriate word. The firework went off with such a noise that we were nearly deafened. Thank you very much. Have a great time. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए इस चैनल को और शेयर करिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।